Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bad.
Okay, so I'm still like really sick. Like my throat's all messed up. My nose is all messed up. It's all clogged up. But I'm gonna stay going to school because that's what I gotta do. So my taxes should be coming back hopefully pretty soon, which is good because I'm planning on getting a new camera. The camera itself is $400, but I'm getting a camera kit unless they all run out before then. But the camera kit is on clearance at Walmart for $400. It comes with the $400 camera, probably almost $1,000 or more worth of 2 extra lenses and a bag. So hopefully in the near future you guys will see an unboxing of that, and then all my video stuff will be on that instead of this camera right here. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I still have this one and then my other one, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I'll figure something out.
Everything is changing, I can feel it in my soul. Got no destination, go whichever way the wind blows. Oh, 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 I'm just fucking with the fire right now. Ain't no worry on my mind right now. You can see it in my eyes, I'm down for whatever. Looking at the stars, I'ma count them all. Open your eyes, feeling the fire. I can feel it in my soul, I know where to go. Look to the sky, follow the fire. I'm yelling, I'm drifting away, I'm drifting away. Oh, 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 oh. Everything changing, but I'm down for whatever, down for whatever. As I drift off in the clouds, flow free from the shit that I let go. Man, I feel good, I yell it out when the world gon' hear my echo. Stress gone when I blink, yeah. I ain't worried about a thing, yeah. If you are what you think, yeah. Guess I made me the king, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. I'm just feeling so alive right now. I'm so happy I could die right now.
Oh, we worked it out. It's all good.
Because the way she was saying, you don't have to worry about that, I was like, wait a minute, okay, now I realize.
So, anyways, so Connor and I are both very sick. I've taken 2 cough drops today, and I've sneezed my entire brain out. So I don't know what to do.
Vlog, I'm gonna go food.
Okay, Connor's gonna go get food, and I'm gonna sit here and cry until I die, because I'm in so much pain. I'm gonna cry until I die. I hate being sick, and I wish it would just be over. Let me tell you. But hey, you know, building that immune system, right? I hate my life. I hate it so much. Well, speaking scientific logically, if you wait, what through? Guys, girls, I'm dying. Females and males, I'm dying.
Females?
What window are you talking about?
That window.
That window right there. One of those 2 windows.
This apple.
And that apple. Let me feel it.
Do you think that this apple would break before the window would break?
Probably.
Depends on how hard the apple.
Yeah, it definitely would. But I wouldn't test it because that's a lot of money. No, you shouldn't. That's a bad idea. you guys enjoyed that little walking thing that Connor and I did. It actually took a lot of time to work through that whole like high five thing at the end because he wouldn't cooperate, but he got it at the end, so it was good. So we got that all figured out. We got a lot of nice walking shots, which was kind of cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that because I kind of enjoyed doing it, even though I feel like crap. I'm all sick today, but I enjoyed making those because it was outside in the fresh air, so it was pretty cool. And we probably annoyed some people because we kept putting a camera down and they're like, ugh, these guys are annoying. But, you know, oh well. I'm dying. I have to. Alright, so we're stepping aside from my usual routine where I vlog 7th period at school, but today I got picked up by my dad, and so I'm hanging out here with Dakota. I'm hanging out here with my sister Dakota at Walmart waiting for my dad to come out of the store. But I got the other 2 mystery flavors. I have the other 2 mystery flavors of Peeps so that I can finally start my challenge. I also want to wait until I'm not sick anymore because my sense of taste is terrible right now. And I would never guess anything.
Can we make a video one of these days where we go up to people in Walmart and make weird noises and see what their reactions are?
Alright, that'd be interesting. Hey, look, my dad's coming. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna go home, finish up this vlog, edit, upload it, and yeah, you guys will see it tomorrow morning at some point or something. I don't know. Whatever. Alright, so it is currently like 10:30 something, I think. I don't know. Yeah, it's around 10:30, and I'm still awake because I took a nap today because I was super tired and I was feeling like crap. So I took a nap for like 3 hours, so I'm gonna be up for a little while. So I'm gonna edit this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Make sure that if you did, you go ahead and leave a like because you guys know that would make me very happy and I'd appreciate it very much. And I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Peace.
Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone, and I merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round.